I'm going over the bike. A lot of you know I just got a WR250R. Okay? And one of the first things I do with any bike when I get it, I basically go through and make sure everything's the way I want it. Now, with that said, every once in a while, you will get the, what the hell were they thinking? I'm gonna call this the mud puddle mod, okay? Let's get this covered. What the hell, okay? I can understand drilling holes in an air box to get maximum flow. But on a dual sport, especially with how low these are, you're limited to that much water. Granted, yeah, it's, you know, a lot of water to get that deep, but there have been instances where we have been in water that comes up to damn near that point. We have submerged the rear tires and the front tires before. Now, what makes this even more odd is, I'm gonna pull the seat off. They did not do the flapper mod. So the flapper mod is you've got a diaphragm here and you've got a door on the inlet of the airbox. And as you're driving, vacuum opens and closes that flap to allow more or less air in. So what they do is they take out the diaphragm, they glue the door down so you get plenty of air into the airbox. Instead of doing that simple mod, which took 5 minutes, they drilled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes in the airbox. I mean, they could have drilled it up here to allow more air in, but anyway, where we ride, that is a recipe for disaster. That is an easy way to get water in the airbox. I washed this bike, rinsed it down after our ride. I want to show you something real quick. That was Sunday. See that standing water right there? Right? There's water right there. Can you see that water? Can you see that? Okay, that was just from rinsing it down. Could you imagine riding in prolonged water? Like when we go to K-Trail, we go through 3 dozen puddles that are probably 1 foot to 1.5 feet deep. All right, you get this side cover. Yeah, it's nice and contoured, but that isn't watertight. So anyway, what did we do to fix that? Well, come on over here. New seal, new OEM door, Rocky Mountain, 20 bucks. So I've had people tell me, suggest, why not just put tape on it? I don't like anything half-ass. Anyway, on a good note, it does have a speedo healer. I don't know where I stuffed it. See right there? It does have a speedo healer. So that was a good note. So I wouldn't have found that without finding this. Anyway, guys, Google mods before you hack your bike and possibly end up in a situation with a waterlocked motor. Can you imagine what would happen if you laid this down on this side of the bike in a puddle? Yes, you'd get water through here too, but this right here is just instant. It would take a little bit more, which I'm going to seal this up eventually. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to remove that. Make sure you plug off the vacuum line. But anyway, just guys, when you buy a bike, make sure you go over it. You don't want a surprise like this ruining your ride. Smash that subscribe button. Get that bell for future notifications. I want to say thank you for watching till the end of the video. And as always, be safe.